Hi, I'm Ben, and this is how I gained 10,000 subscribers in 4 months. Vertical live streaming. That's it. You can leave now if you want. But I do have a couple of caveats about all of that I want to share with you later on, right? Now, I've had this channel for over 10 years. Kind of post cover songs, I posted some tutorials of how to play this, that and the other. Anyway, back in November 2024, last year, I was sitting around 800 subscribers. And it took me a decade to build that. To be fair, there were plenty of times that I'd go months and months without uploading a single video. But all of this growth started by accident. I was messing around with multi-streaming. And I was streaming vertically. Because I was mostly focusing on TikTok at the time. And then I noticed something wild during the stream. My vertical live streams on YouTube were pulling in way more viewers than I'd ever seen before. At first I'd get like 50 concurrent viewers. Then it jumped up to 100, 150, 200 over the course of a few weeks. I was gaining 200 to 500 new subscribers per stream. By the end of those 4 months, I'd gone from 800 to over 10,000. I'm no YouTube expert. I'm not going to bore you with a deep dive into analytics. I'll leave that to channels like vidIQ. They are far more knowledgeable than I am. But what I can tell you is that the vast majority of my streams, probably 80% or more, the views are coming from the shorts feed. It's mostly mobile viewers that are scrolling through and stumbling into my streams. My average watch time per viewer, per stream, is averaging about 40 seconds per viewer, which seems absolutely terrible. But basically, if you're getting thousands of impressions from people swiping in, your content's not going to be for everyone. So a good chunk of people are going to come into the stream and straight away swipe away, and that'll bring that average view time down. Although, I've gained many regulars in my live streams that will often be there for the duration, and they'll be boosting up the average. So, what made this work? Consistency, basically. Once I saw those numbers ticking up, I committed to going live at least 2 days a week, usually 3 or 4. In my music niche, I'd just hop on, perform songs, take song requests from the chat, and engage with everyone that comes in, or as many people that come in as I can. There can be a lot. Keeping it interactive is key. Viewers stick around because they're part of the conversation. YouTube's algorithm is doing the heavy lifting and it pushes the streams into the shorts feed. Now, I'd sometimes see 60,000 plus unique viewers a single stream. And the sub count just keeps on coming up because of that. Now, about that caveat. The growth isn't all smooth sailing. Vertical live streaming is tough and there are so many trolls. So many. They will say anything and everything to get you to react. They want to pick you apart. They want to take your deepest insecurities and try and pick on you for it. They want you to react. They want you to bring the mood down of the stream. That's what they want. So mods are recommended. Now, it's hard to get mods at first. Through time, you end up with regulars that come into the stream, and and often they'll offer. So you've got to be on camera. You've got to bring all sorts of energy, and you've got to deal with quiet days. Sometimes months. I've had streams where I've barely broken 50 viewers, and it really stings after having hundreds the day before. Plus, the grind can really weigh you down if you're not careful. I've had days that it really has gotten me down, even though the numbers were still far better than a couple of months ago. The algorithm really seems to fluctuate for no rhyme or reason. Some days will be great, others not so much. I was recently shared this kind of graph by a friend of mine, which I think accurately describes what you'll go through on your YouTube journey. We all want to see an upward line. We all want to see that happen, where every video is better than the last, more successful, more views, more subs. But unfortunately, that's just not the case. I think this line more accurately represents it. It's kind of upwards and down, good days, bad days. There'll be ups and downs, but generally with hard work, persistence, consistency, you keep on going, I think the trend generally will go upwards. Just got to keep turning up. Now, the second issue. Because most of my viewers are on mobile and coming from the shorts feed, my horizontal normal videos don't seem to get pushed much to my regular live stream viewers. So towards the end of a live stream, what I'll do, I'll often talk about my latest video and recommend that everyone viewing at the time, please go watch it or whatever. And I'd say that kind of works. I'll also say that these days on YouTube, subscriber count really doesn't matter as much as it used to. What really matters is the kind of content people are watching. If they never seek the content of the people that they're subscribed to, then they often won't be served their videos. Still, proof's in the numbers, 800 to 10,000 subscribers in 4 months flat. It's not magic, it's finding something that works, doubling down, going for it. My advice? Grab your phone, go live, and don't overthink it too much. Test it with your audience, whether you're into music or something totally different, whatever your niche is. Vertical streaming may be the way to go for you. Give it a go. Anyway, stick around, hit that subscribe button, and hopefully this helps get you to 10k subs. Hey, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and if you fancy, you can click the one on the screen. I'm sure you'll enjoy that too.